Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back for a very long overdue unboxing video. Here I have a very special unboxing to share with you actually. And as I already cut the box in half for easy one-hand motion grab, YPS, all right? So if anybody's ever familiar with Yeager's poured silver, they have some of the best poured silver bars anyone could ever imagine. I love every bit of it. I'm very happy with the previous purchases. So, but this one's very special. This one is long overdue, and I'll explain to you why. All right, here it is. I got to get into this bag. Oh, it feels nice. Pretty hefty, I'll give you the hint on that. And as soon as I do this, I can give a special shout out to a special someone whom I've been following for a very long time. And I just wanted to, maybe with scissors I can get in there. All right, good. Can I do it with one hand? No, maybe this side? The bubble wrap is devious. Alright, so you know what I can do? I can set you guys aside right here. I am going to need both hands to do it. No biggie. No biggie at all. Alright. Very protective bubble wrap. And here I present to you a 4-ounce hexagon silver slacker serialized 999 bar with a 2018 design from Silver Slacker himself. Influenced and design 076. This particular bar with Yeager poured silver, the company, and there it is, Silver Slacker. If any of my 149 subscribers aren't subscribed to Silver Slacker, go check him out. I absolutely encourage everyone to check out Silver Slacker's channel for educational purposes, for hobbyist reasons, for cool designs, and different ideas and methods on how to go about purchasing silver bars and being pretty effective while doing so. All right, so I'm gonna need to get into that. I really like to hold them in my hands, although the vacuum sealed bags are pretty cool, but I don't mind. Silver's to touch and hold, I feel. It's 4 ounce, it's a cool hexagon bar, and you can feel every bit of it. Oh, it's great. The glare is just super shiny, and this will tone. Silver Slacker, I'm happy to present one of his limited edition YPS bars. I do like 076, cool. It wasn't an odd number, I'm good with an even. 2018, another even number. 3 9s plus fine, what I meant to say earlier. Sorry, I was just pretty excited. 4 ounce, beautiful digit there. This is actually my first 4 ounce bar, and I like the hexagon design. Is exactly why I picked this. I really appreciate the hexagon. I do have the little cubes, and those kind of things just stand out to me. You know, a square bar is, but these are unique. They're stackable, obviously, and yeah, they're serialized. They're limited edition, so they run out just like everything else, and you can feel every bit of it in your hand. Just feels great. And what I have here to show you, my scale isn't the best scale, but I already know YPS Silver. Their shop always produces perfection. 4 ounces on the dot. That's precision for you. So, needless to say, the other ones are actually a bit over 1.1. So, they're always on the button or slightly above, never under. that I've ever seen. I don't think that would pass their production, you know, team. And yeah, this is beautiful. You can see the beautiful pour line right there on the bottom, and that is awesome. And I'm proud to finally have gotten something attached to Silver Slacker, one of my favorite YouTubers, believe it or not. And I want to give a shout out to him and everything he's done for us. He kind of paved the way and you know, and taught us, you know. You know, aside just from personal appreciation, I mean, just the little smart silver stacking methods. Well, just like he would say, I'm gonna tell everyone else, stacking silver, whether the market is high or low, the importance of stacking silver is just to stack it and just to keep accumulating and just getting it. Just don't overpay too much. This is actually very close to spot, and it's just one of the deals that just came across the table. And actually, this deserves another $10 premium, I would say, on top of it, because you never see stackable hexagon bars like this, and they're all serialized. Everything is to be appreciated here. So also shout out to Yeager's Poured Silver.com. Go check them out. I am no way affiliated with anyone. I'm just a fan like everyone else, and yeah, I'm pretty excited. You can probably hear it in my voice, and I'm glad to have this come across my desk, per se. All right, and just to show you a few other things that I got this week on the smaller scale, little bank finds like this, bicentennial, little things that I save from pocket change. This is a bank find. I do ask them when I get there, but I did also find this in circulation, so that was a pretty cool hoo-ha. It's a 1964 D, so that was face value. This is, and silver is low, especially this month, so this was a perfect time to pick up something like this, and I'm so happy to have that now in my collection. And I picked up a bunch of these. These are, you know, I noticed my Morgans were getting toned, and I didn't really want the luster of my coins to disappear. You know, I don't know. I just want to keep my Morgans in airtight containers, so I think I'm going to put all the ones that I have in those plastic sleeves that I've shown you before. I'm just going to start filling them up in two airtight tubes to protect the, you know, the elements of the coin. And I do have about a roll and a half of them. So, but I have those for the future, and I have been collecting BU type Morgan and Peace dollars, so they'll go in there, and that's pretty much what I'm up to this week, folks. And I'm glad you enjoyed it. Stick around. There's always going to be more, and yeah, keep watching, and head over to Silver Slacker's channel, and head over to YPS. That's it's always a good thing to do. So I'll see you in the near future, and as always, like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.